Hi everyone, in front of me we've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. Now all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, so let me do it, and tap on the history. And as you can see here, we've got all previously visited websites, and if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you've got a lot of websites saved here and you don't want to waste your time, I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. What's more, you can change the time range from a hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time, so let me pick all time. And if you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything, I want to remove everything, and after that just tap on this button, Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed basically everything. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.